This Power BI report is mainly to show the higher level of Power BI reports. In the previous video, I have showed how to get single project data from Primavera and other sources to Power BI report. This project will show the capability of consolidate the project progress data to the higher different levels. These higher levels are the same idea of EPS in Primavera. In the real-life report, we can use the Primavera EPS in our Power BI reports. Let's dive in the report. In the left hand here, you can find a slicer shows the different level in the company. Here's the corporate level. I have two divisions. Division number 1 contains 3 projects. Division number 2 contains 2 projects. In the right hand, there is a pie chart shows the comparison between the project values. If I go to project number 1, the chart it will be for one project only. You have the current progress data, the report date, start, planned completion date, and delay and forecast completion date. Overall progress, planned versus actual, planned manpower versus actual manpower, work distribution from third quarter of 23 up to quarter number 2, 22. The revised contract value, estimated at completion, the payment status versus total paid, and the KPIs here of the project. Procurement in delay, if I go to construction, I have here also a delay, about 10%, design, and engineering. This level of KPIs, I made it for all the project of the company. If I go to project number 2, all the data changes now, starting 1st of January and forecast completion date end of December. You find here in the work done, quarter 1, 2021 up to quarter 4, 2022, and all the progress, all the data changed. As you can see here, there is no design as this project doesn't contain design scope of work. Project number 3, the same idea, everything changed here. If I select division number 1, the title it will be first division overall, and here you can notice that I have 3 projects. Everything consolidated. The start date it will be the minimum start, and the completion date it will be the maximum completion of the projects. Overall progress it will be for the consolidated 3 projects. Manpower also consolidated for all. Total certified total payment. Revised contract value 100 here, 250 here, 202 here. The total it will be 552. The distribution here. Also the KPIs it will be for the overall of the division. If I go to project number 4, it will be the same idea. Division 2, fourth project. If I select division 2, it will be division 2 overall contains 2 projects. If I select now the corp overall, chart will be for the 5 projects. The data here is consolidated, minimum start, maximum completion. This KPI, it can be now if you have a division for the design. What is the progress of the design division as a overall? What about the procurement division? And so on. Here you have a report contains all the project data and go to the above level. Enjoy automation.